In the sculpting scene, we have tools that are unique and very useful when we need to correct or improve the scan data imported from an intraoral or desktop scanner. We have 6 instruments. We have the smooth tool, the patch, remove, extend, intrude, and extrude. We also have the brush size slider and the brush strength slider. The brush size allows us to decrease or increase the circumference of the tool. And the brush strength slider will increase the strength or decrease the strength in which we apply the tool we choose. The smooth instrument allows us to smooth areas on the tooth or gum surface, such as artifacts or braces or acrylic buttons present when the patient or the patient's model were scanned, or if we need to adjust any gum tissue. Next, we have the patch instrument. The patch instrument detects any holes in the mesh, and we will use the remove tool to demonstrate how any missing areas can be resealed. So as you can see, this is a hollow or missing mesh area. We will click on the patch button, and the software detects the missing area, and we click on the blue circle so the area can be sealed. So next we'll use the extend tool, which is quite unique to vision and extremely useful when clinicians miss areas of information or maybe areas that were required in order to produce the items that we need to produce. So for example, if the clinician didn't scan enough gum tissue, we can use the extend tool to extend the area. Next, we have the intrude. And again, we can use the brush circumference, size, or the brush strength to execute the intrusion or extrusion. And if we need to undo or redo any of the actions, we can click on the undo arrow. And as you can see, we're undoing the extrusion, and we'll continue to undo the intrusion. I hope this tutorial has been helpful.